Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at WeBe Autos. Today we have a 1939 Ford Standard. Very special car. It's got some great history. Got Robert of many, many years going to tell us a little bit about it. How are you doing today, Robert?
It was used, I bought it in 1967. It was used in the movie The Godfather in 1972.
Mm-hmm.
And it's minorly hot rod. It's got 12 volts, electronic ignition, 46 to 48 hubs, dual exhaust, 100% original, never any bodywork, rust, or anything done or on the car.
So it's all original metal. We got a flathead in it?
Yeah, original flathead.
Is that what came in the car?
Oh yeah.
Wow. Is it the original motor? Or?
I had it rebuilt a long time ago.
Wow. So you've owned it a couple years, huh?
Too many years. Time to unload.
He's got a big collection. 1967. Wow. So how'd you come across the car?
I got that letter.
Mm-hmm.
I was visiting a friend up in Massachusetts.
Mm-hmm.
I had bought a 66 Fairlane GT 390 4-speed.
I remember that car. Right?
And he was driving it, and I saw this car parked in the driveway.
Huh.
And I told him to stop, and I went and spoke to the guy who owned it. And he says he wasn't interested in selling it, but I gave him my phone number and address. And a year later, he writes me a letter, which I have a copy, saying that am I still interested in buying the car?
Wow.
And I said, yes, I am. So I went up and towed it home.
Wow. You guys can see a picture of that letter on our website, WeBeAutos.com. It's really cool. I can't believe you had it this long. And what'd you pay for it?
$350.
Wow. That was a substantial amount of money back in 67,
yeah, it
though.
was a fair price.
Right? 'Cause what would you make a week, generally, in 67? 15 bucks or something crazy?
What?
What would you make about a week back then?
Oh, I have no recollection.
$15, $20? Jeez.
Probably less than that.
And the 27 precinct and the Police New York, was that done for the
Paramount
movie?
Pictures painted it up.
Mm-hmm.
They didn't do a great job, so after I got it back from Paramount Pictures, I had somebody redo the paint and the precinct and stuff like that.
Huh. Very cool.
And it was it's in the front of the hospital scene in the movie The Godfather. That's where it was used.
Wow. I'll find that and throw it online so you guys could see it. Beautiful condition, and like he said, all original metal. He changed the hubs out so you can put more of a modern wheel on there. Looks like you got brand new tires. They're Kelly's 600 P255/75 R15. Beautiful straight body. Original glass all the way around, it looks like. Very cool history. You just don't see them like this. Very cool. Can you fire it up? Can you fire it up?
Yeah.
So you added some gauges.
And down here.
12 volt system.
And surely it's original model 64,000.
Wow. Absolutely amazing. A killer piece of history you have here.
What's in there?
Original headliner?
No, I had it reupholstered to make it look like a police car.
Huh. Very cool. Sounds like you got headers and glass backs. I love the sound of the flathead, right? There she is, flathead. Got some cool headers on there, very vintage. Custom horn, 12 volt system, Offenhauser intake. Got the Holly 650 carburetor, single pumper. Original style fuel pump. Electronic ignition, like you said. It's all tuned up too, ready to go. New battery. Electric fan. Nice big radiator. What's on here? A Holly 650, Robert?
600.
600? What kind of headers are those?
I have no idea.
Noise or something. Very cool. Offenhauser aluminum intake. So it's a slightly modified.
Yeah.
You know, something that they would have done back in the day. Electronic distributor.
Yeah.
It's that piece right there, right up front. Very cool. And how's she run? Nice?
Perfect.
Wow. Beautiful. There's your air conditioning right up front.
Never been in the rain. It's been garage as long as I've owned it.
Yeah.
Except for when Paramount Pictures had it.
Huh. Very cool. Electric fans on a thermostat.
Yeah.
Original style rear, original style transmission.
Excuse me?
Original rear.
Everything, tranny, rear, all stock.
It's all stock. Okay, cool. Very neat. Absolutely love it. And all the lights obviously been modified for the 12 volt. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from WeBe Autos. Feel free to give me a shout. I'm at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. It's webeautos.com. And don't forget to subscribe below. Thanks again, Robert.